Hello friends, welcome in today's maths class. Today we discuss standard 12th chapter number 5 continuity and differentiability. In this topic in today's lecture we will discuss second order derivative. In second order derivative that any function y in term of f of x, then the derivative of first, that dy by dx, is equals to f dash of x. Now again, if f dash of x is again differentiable, then we may differentiate f dash of x with respect to x, then that derivative becomes d dx of dy by dx, that we will take double derivative. Second order derivative means what? We take a double derivative, which is called as second order derivative of y with respect to x. It is denoted by d2y by dx square or f double dash of x. In some authors, we can write as d square y or y double dash or y2. There are many notations of double derivative. We can put up any one of that. Now, as double derivative, we will take some examples that you can understood easily. That exercise 5.7. That exercise 5.7, we will take first example, that find the second order derivative of the function given exercise 1 to 10. That we will take first example. Now here y equals to x square plus 3x plus 2. Differentiate with respect to x, that our first derivative becomes dy by dx is equals to, then it is what, d dx of x square plus 3x plus 2. Now take a derivative. Derivative of, in algebra of derivative, that addition of having terms, we will take separate derivative of each term. So this is d dx of x square plus d dx of 3x plus d dx of 2. Then derivative of x square, that a formula, it will be what, 2x. Derivative of 3x, the formula kx, that 3. Derivative of constant, it becomes 0. Then the answer is 2x plus 3. This is your dy by dx. But they want find the second order derivative. So again, differentiate, suppose this is 1. Differentiate 1 with respect to x, because in term of x. Then it is what, d dx of dy by dx is equals to d dx of 2x plus 3. Then again, d dx of dy by dx, we say that d2y by dx square. And derivative of, again there are two terms, so we will take separate derivative of each of term. 2x plus d dx of 3. Derivative of 2x, that again derivative of kx formula k, that 2. Derivative of constant, it is 0. The answer is 2. This is your final answer, d2y by dx square. Hope so you understood very well that take a first differentiation and also take a second differentiation. Now let me take the another examples, that example number suppose 5. Now y equals to x cube log of x. First differentiate with respect to x, that equals to what, dy by dx, because derivative of y is dy by dx, and d dx of x cube log of x. Now there is in two terms, one is logarithmic, one is algebraic. So this is u into v rule. That formula you can use first function derivative of second, then second function derivative of first, then you can find out the values, that x cube derivative of log of x, that equals to 1 by x plus log of x, and derivative of x cube, that equals to what, 3x square, x to the power n formula. Then this x will be cancelled, that simply x square plus that 3 log of x into x square, or we can write x square take common, what remaining, 1 plus 3 log of x. Now this is what your dy by dx. Again, suppose this is 1, differentiate 1 because we want to find second order derivative with respect to x, that equals to what, d dx of dy by dx is equals to d dx of x square in term of 1 plus 3 log of x. Now again there are two terms multiplication, so we will take u into v. Here d2y by dx square is equals to first function, that x square derivative of second 1 plus 3 log of x plus second function 1 plus 3 log of x into derivative of first x square. We can write that simply first function, that x square derivative of 1 plus 3 log of x, that is derivative of 1 0 plus 3 log of x, that is 1 by x, because derivative of log of x 1, plus 1 plus 3 log of x derivative of x square twice x, that equals to x square into 3 by x plus twice x 1 plus 3 log of x. Next x will be cancelled, what remaining, 3x plus 2x 1 plus 3 log of x. Now we will take again x is common from here, then it will be very simplified. So we will take x common, what remaining, 3 plus 2 1 plus 3 log of x, that x 3 plus 2 into 1 2 plus 3 into 2 6 log of x, then that equals to what, x 3 plus 2 5 plus 6 log of x, and this is your final answer, d2y by dx square. What we do, we will take just first derivative u into v rule. Again you can use u into v rule on a second derivative also. So there are two derivative and it is very simplest form, you can solve easily. Now as we know that derivative, we can solve the next example on that 5.7, that we will take on to what, exercise 5.7. Let we take example number 10, that y equals to sine of log of x. This is what y equals to sine of u formula. Then differentiate with respect to x, that equals to what, dy by dx is equals to derivative of sine u, that cos of u, then differentiate again, that du by dx, d dx of log of x, that cos of log of x, and derivative of log of x is 1 by x, that formula is cos of log of x upon x. This is your dy by dx. Now we want a double derivative, so we take differentiate again with respect to x. So this is what, d dx of dy by dx is equals to d dx of cos of log of x upon x. Now here is an u by v rule. So numerator upon denominator अगर हो डेरिवेटिव में तो we can take it what denominator first, that it equal to what d2y by dx square is equals to denominator first derivative of numerator cos of log of x, then minus numerator cos of log of x derivative of denominator upon denominator square. This is the formula. Now we can solve. So d2y by dx square equals to derivative of cos of log of x minus sin log of x and derivative of log of x 1 by x minus that cos of log of x derivative of x is 1. We can write 1 upon numerator denominator is x square enough same. That equals to x get cancelled minus sin log of x minus cos log of x upon x square. So we can write simplified way d2y by dx square minus 1 by x square in bracket sin of log of x plus cos of log of x. Very simplest form. That your final answer. This is a very simplest form. You can do easily. That just we will take first derivative and also the second derivative. In that exercise, that 5.7, the other examples, that most important examples on that board, that are from 11 to 17. These examples many times asked in that board exam. So we will take some 3 examples, 1 or 2 examples from this. That when I see that examples 13, 14 or 16, these examples are asked in many times in the board. So we will take one, that we will take 13 examples. These 13 examples say that y equals to 3 cos of log of x plus 4 sin log of x. They show that x square y2 plus x y1 plus y equals to 0. Means what? They want to show that x square y2 means what? d2y by dx square plus x y1 means what? dy by dx plus y equals to 0. So you can take, there are 2 methods to solve. First we will take simply derivative from first, second, and take LHS. Put up all values and then equals to what? 0. If LHS equals to RHS, then this equation is satisfied. Or another way, you can modify this example in terms of this. So we will do it. That example 13, at y is equals to 3, differentiate with respect to x, then y1, that dy by dx is equals to what? Derivative of this, derivative of 3 cos of log of x, 3 derivative of cos minus sin log of x upon derivative of log of x 1 by x plus 4 derivative of sin log of x, that is cos of log of x upon derivative of log of x. So this is your first format, first derivative, that dy by dx is equals to minus 3 sin log of x upon x plus 4 cos log of x upon x. Now that y1 is equals to, we will solve that minus 3 sin log of x plus 4 cos of log of x upon x, because denominator is same. Now when we did taken double derivative, then this x is a make a form of u by v rule, and it is very again complicated. So just this x it multiply by here. Then next example, it becomes x y1 is equals to 3 minus 3 sin of log of x plus 4 cos of log of x. Take a double derivative, then differentiate with respect to x. Then this is what? D dx of xy1 is equals to what? D dx of whole term minus 3 sine log of x plus 4 cos of log of x. Then we can solve u into v rule, that first function x into dy by dx, that is y1 the derivative, that y2 plus y1 derivative of x is 1 is equals to minus 3 derivative of sine log of x, this is cos of log of x, upon derivative of x is, or log of x is 1 by x, plus 4 of cos of log of x, that is minus sine of log of x, and derivative of log of x 1 by x. So we write in a simple way that x y2 plus y1 is equals to that minus 3 cos of log of x, we can write on the next line, minus 3 cos of log of x minus 4 sine of log of x upon x. This x, it can be multiple of here, then x y2 plus y1, take a minus sign common, what remaining? 3 cos log of x plus 4 sine log of x. Now check, this is your y, because your y say that 3 cos log of x, 3 cos log of x, 4 sine log of x, that equals to, again same term is here. So we can write x y2 plus y1 is equals to minus y, x into x square y2, x into y, x y1, and this y shifting here, at plus of y equals to 0, and this is your main term. You want to prove this term, check here, x square y2 plus x y1 plus y है वही. So you can do easily using your common sense and using your formula. If you know all the formula, then it is very simple to solve. Now as same way, many time ask example number 14, we can solve now here. Example 14 is here. If y equals to a e to the power mx plus b e to the power nx, show that d2y by dx square minus m plus n dy by dx plus mny equals to 0. Let me do this examples 14. Now let y is equals to a e to the power mx plus b e to the power nx. We want to solve. We want to show d2y by dx square minus m plus n of dy by dx plus mny equals to 0. Take a differentiation. Differentiate with respect to x. Then what? dy by dx is equals to differentiation derivative of e to the power f of x, e to the power u. That formula is what? E to the power u du by dx. So that a e to the power mx, and derivative of mx, that's simply m, plus b e to the power nx, and it's simply n. Then dy by dx is equals to am e to the power mx plus bn e to the power nx. Now take a double differentiation, so that differentiate with respect to x again. Then what? d2y by dx square, because d dx of dy by dx, d2y by dx square, am e to the power mx, and derivative of e to the power mx, that m, plus bn e to the power nx, and derivative of nx, that simply n. That am square e to the power mx plus bn square e to the power nx. This is your d2y by dx square. Now we can take a second way, that take a left hand side. What is left hand side? That d2y by dx square minus m plus n of dy by dx plus mny, and we can solve it equals to 0. So d2y by dx square minus m plus n of dy by dx plus mn of y, टेकिंग सॉल्व। तो वैल्यू पुटअप करेंगे दैट d2y डी एक्स स्क्वेयर की वो है हमारे पास a m स्क्वेयर e टू द पावर एम एक्स प्लस b n स्क्वेयर e टू द पावर n x। वी पुटअप दैट d2y डी एक्स स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू व्हाट a m स्क्वेयर e टू द पावर एम एक्स प्लस b n स्क्वेयर e टू द पावर n x, then minus m plus n of dy by dx. So this is your dy by dx, that equals to a m e to the power mx plus b n e to the power nx plus mn of that your y a e to the power mx plus b n e to the power b e e to the power nx. Now take a expansion, करो multiple. First term remains same, that a m e to the power mx plus b n square e to the power nx minus m into this term, both term. So minus m a, that is minus a m into m square e to the power mx plus minus b m n e to the power nx, then n से मल्टीपल करो तो a m n e to the power mx and then minus b n square e to the power nx. यहाँ पे मल्टीपल a m n e to the power mx plus b m n e to the power nx. Now all are cancelled, check it. a m square b n square m b m n b m n a m n m n are all cancelled, that equals to 0, that is equals to RHS. This is very simplest way you can solve easily. Just you have to do all first derivative, then second derivative and take left hand side, put up all the values, you get all cancel, that equals to 0. So you can do easily that way. Next time we will meet on the next session. Till then, goodbye.